Hi, in this video we will answering the question, is Java pass by reference or pass by value? The answer to that question is that in Java variables are pass by value, and to show you that I'll run some Java code using IntelliJ IDE. So to get started, I've created this really simple class, the dog class, which has a string name, a constructor, a getter, and a setter for this field. Then in main, here I've created a new dog with the name Max, and I attributed this dog to an all dog variable, for which I'll show you later why I've done that. Then we pass this dog to the function foo. Here, what function foo does is that first we print to the console to see if the passed dog name is Max, how we set it. So if I run this, yeah, you can see in console that here the first print is true as commented here. So indeed the name of the dog is Max, how we set it. Next, we attribute to this dog inside of the function a new dog with the name Fifi. And we check again to see if the dog name now is really Fifi. We see now in console that this is true. Then when we come back from this function, we check if this dog from here, which we passed to this function name, is still Max. And as we can see, the dog name still is Max. It's not Fifi, how we checked here. And on this system print, we check to see if the pointer of the dog it's the same of how it was when we first instantiated it. So as we can see, this is true. The place in memory to which the dog points didn't change. So more exactly what happened here. The dog was passed to this function, but because, as I've said, in Java variables are passed by value, when we attributed a new dog to this dog, this value of dog here didn't change because here we passed the value of dog, not a reference to the dog or a pointer. So when we attributed a new dog here, this dog being locally, because it's passed by value, is just locally in the foo function, the dog here didn't suffer any changes. To show you even more on this, I have again in this main one file, again a dog with the name Max, and again we put this dog to a foo function. We check to see if the name of the dog is Max. So you can see this is true here. Yeah. And then using the setter inside of the class dog, we set his name to Fifi. After we exit from this function, we can see that the dog name is Fifi. This is true. And also if we check that the place to which this variable points in memory it's the same, again it's the same. So what happened here? Why if the variable is passed by value, his name changed? Well, it changed because we changed the name this time using the setter inside of the class dog, instead of attributing a new class or place in memory to it like we have done here. And because we have done that, the name of the dog has changed, because by calling this setter, basically we access the memory of that dog, not the variable dog